Okay, today we're going to show you how to change the valve body if you have a leaking Delta faucet. It's a pretty easy and pretty quick fix. Make sure your water's turned off, both your hot and cold. Pop the little center ring off. Unscrew the handle, screw for the handle. Put it on the side. These have a single body on them. Mine just pulls off out the way. Pretty easy. Okay, that gets you to the valve body itself. These are a cartridge and they're very easy to replace. They just pull in and out. But first you got to get this ring here off. This is the main ring that holds the valve cartridge into the body of the valve. It just unscrews and you just pull straight out with the valve. It's stuck in there a little bit. So what you have is an O-ring. This is the valve cartridge. You buy a whole new cartridge. It fits right back in the same rough-in body. Now, so you get your new one, you put it in. A lot of time when these are leaking, either there's going to be a crack in the plastic or one of these O-rings are going to be broken or leaking. So a lot of times you can fix it just by buying and getting the O-rings, but they're fairly cheap. So you're going to take your new cartridge, on the new cartridge, you need to look and see which side is hot and which side is cold. On this one, there's an H right here, which indicates this is the hot side. So that tells me it needs to go with the hot on the left. And all you do is stab it back in there. And there's a little alignment key here. There's a plastic arrow-shaped point in the plastic, and there's a cutout in the metal. And those go together. So all you do is seat it back in there. Take your holding ring. And these do not have to be tightened with a wrench. You can hand tighten it, and that should be enough to keep it from leaking. So now what we're going to do is put our cover plate back over it. Ready to put our handle back on. Again, some of your handles may have an Allen wrench hole underneath it where you have to use an Allen wrench to get them off. I'm going to put our little trim piece back on. And we're pretty much done. We're going to turn the water back on and we should be ready to go. It's that easy and that quick to replace a leaking cartridge, so you should be able to do that easily on your own and not have any issues.